Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to manually update Windows 10 version 1803 to version 1809. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer. Windows 10 version is 1803. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click Download Update Assistant. Click Update now. Open, downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Checking for updates. Latest version 1809 is available for download. Click Update now. Click Next to continue. Download starting. Verifying download. Updating Windows started. Updates finished. Click Restart now. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type WinVer. Windows 10 version is updated to 1809. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.